This is the cake topper, Brett?
That's videotape Brett breaking the cake topper.
Is that the rabbit? Oh, sorry.
No.
It's so traditional.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, I didn't expect that.
Oh, cute.
Let me see,
Oh, that's cute.
Let me see the skateboard.
Who made that?
eBay.
Can you stand still long enough that we can see it? Nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Are you looking at the cake topper? Are we selling something else?
Both.
Are we selling the, what is it, the Victoria's Secret, those, what is it, bombshell? That's,
I know I want one of those, and then Frankie said I couldn't have one.
yeah, I think that's
Make sure my
illegal.
size.
I think that's just illegal.
Okay, let's see the
That's
shoes.
what we need to do, Brad. We need to come up with a cake topper for the ladies instead of